How many faces, edges and vertices does the given solid have? Oh, wonderful. So let's think about faces. Easiest. Hexagon on top, hexagon at the bottom. Right? And each side of the top hexagon and each side of the bottom hexagon are connected together to give a rectangle. So one hexagon on top, one at the bottom, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces along the sides, or we have 2 plus 6, 8 faces. Edges. Think about this. Edges are straight lines. The top hexagon has 6 straight lines. Bottom hexagon has 6 straight lines. And then joining are 6 straight lines. So we call this as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. And B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. A1 to A6 the hexagon, 6 sides. B1 to B6 is the hexagon, 6 sides. That is 6 edges. A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3, A4, B4 are 6 edges. So this one will have 18 edges. Vertices, the top hexagon has 6 vertices. Bottom hexagon has 6 vertices. Connecting these are edges, but there is no other vertex beyond this. So there are 12 vertices. 8 faces, 18 edges and 12 vertices. 8, 18, 12. This is the right answer we're looking for. We're counting this. 1, 6 plus 1, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12.